Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll get notified of each new video as they come out.
Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So I'm just up here in the barn and cleaning some stuff up. It's a disaster right now. And I was thinking about something that I saw posted in Facebook the other day, and it was basically talking about when is the worst time for a collapse to happen. And the general consensus on this, pretty much ever since Fortune wrote 1 second after, is that the worst time for a collapse to happen would be like, late fall or early winter, something along those lines, because there's no crops and people are going to starve and all that kind of stuff. And there's a lot of logic to that, right? But I think we need to define what worst means. And to me, worst is when is there going to be the most violence. And so I think the best time of year for a collapse to happen would be in the fall, or the late fall, early winter. And the reason I say that is because people would die off faster and they wouldn't be out fighting as much. And hold on. My old lady. Hello. Oh, hung up on her. Oh well. Anyway, the best time would be late fall or early winter, because people would die faster, and you wouldn't experience, as a society, I don't think that you would experience as much violence and as much conflict and all that kind of stuff. I might be wrong, I don't know. But if a collapse happened in, say, late spring, early summer, there's going to be, people are going to last a lot longer. And the longer they last, the more desperate they get. And they are going to have more time to go out and cause more chaos. So you're going to have a longer period of time before the winter kill-off happens, to where there's going to be more violence, more treachery, more theft, more all that kind of stuff. So you're going to have a longer window of extended violence. So to me, that's the worst time of year for a collapse to happen, because it's making it more dangerous for everybody. If people just die off quicker because of exposure, hypothermia, lack of food, they don't have the ability to fight as much, then that's better for everybody, because there's less chaos. So I guess I go counter to the wisdom of most of these apocalyptic writers and all that kind of stuff, because winter doesn't discriminate between good guys and bad guys. And in the summertime, they're going to cause all kinds of chaos for months on end. And they're not going to likely be able to do that as much in the wintertime in most places. So that's my thoughts on it. Now, down in like South Texas and Florida and stuff like that, it may not make that much of a difference really. But in the plain states and out in the west and in the north, it's gonna play a pretty big role. So that's my 2 cents. I'd be curious to see what you guys think. When do you think the worst time for a collapse is? And when we say worst, we're talking about when there would be the most chaos, when there would be the most violence. What time would be the worst time of year for that. So anyway, guys, as always, definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys.